So a 15-year-old girl posted on Reddit saying that her mom was exaggerating or lying about her symptoms to doctors. She left a secret note with the nurse, and the medical team immediately picked up on inconsistencies, so they kept her in hospital so that they could keep a close eye on her, and even made sure that a nurse was with her at all times, most likely to prevent the mom from interfering. So now doctors were revising her diagnoses, the mother seeing a counselor, and the teenagers finally getting appropriate medical care. This story highlights a really serious situation called Munchausen by proxy. So here's how it works. A caregiver fabricates or exaggerates symptoms in someone that they care for, and most oftentimes it's their child. They might lie about symptoms, tamper with test results, or even do things to cause real harm or illness to their child. And one example that I learned about as a medical student was a mother who repeatedly injected feces into the veins of her child so that the child would get repeated episodes of sepsis. The child then gets taken to doctors, gets unnecessary tests, and sometimes even gets surgeries. So why would someone do this? It's not for money or for revenge. It's for attention, sympathy, and validation. Most oftentimes, the caregiver wants to be seen as the devoted parent for a chronically ill child. This is clearly a form of abuse, and the danger is huge. The victim is usually a child or an elderly parent who's completely vulnerable and dependent on the person that's causing harm. Doctors can sometimes pick up on this when a child's symptoms don't match their medical findings, illness only happens in the presence of a caregiver, or they've had multiple hospital visits without a clear diagnosis. This isn't just abuse, it's a mental disorder in the caregiver, and it usually requires emergent intervention. Munchausen by proxy is rare, but it's very serious. It reminds us that sometimes the biggest danger to a child's health isn't disease, it's the person who's entrusted to protect them.